of anything as long as you are sitting at the table of the Lord. As long as you are seeking God. Solank jy aan die Here se tafel sit, solank jy daar jou posisie inneem, He says, don't worry about what you will eat or what you will drink. You get back at this table, God is discussing things. Huh? Mense sal sê, ek sou wat gee om miskien aan die tafel te wees van Prins Charles of koning dit of koning daai. Huh? I want to have access to earthly tables. Maar vanmorgen het jy toegang as 'n seun en as 'n dogter. Someone who's remembered, someone who's been called to sit at the table of God. You might not be able to sit at the table of King Charles. Of die mag nie miskien aan die tafel sit wat jy gedink het jou deurbraak gaan lê nie. Maar vanmorgen sit jy aan die tafel van die Here. And they take every one of you and they say whatever you need, whatever you are in need of. Jesus said for sy disciples, julle was soos slawe of diensknegte, but now you are my friends. And then he had a table. The one table was where they crucified him. But the table he was referring, I say, the plans of heaven I do not share with anyone. But the plans I have, die planne deel ek met hulle wat aan my tafel sit. Amen. And I say for the disciples, I reveal things that are yet to come to you because you are sitting at my table. Future events. Dinge wat gebeur. Hy sê, I do not no longer see you as servants, but I see you as friends. Hy sê, hy weerhou niks van sy vriende nie, dis Jesus se woorde. But he reveals everything. So ek en jy as 'n kind van God, ons moet bewus wees wat in die aarde gaan gebeur en wat nog gaan gebeur. We cannot be surprised because we're sitting in the presence of God. Amen.